Hi students, welcome to Vikas Tutorials Mathematics classes. Today in the series of basic mathematics classes, I am going to teach you about LCM and HCF. LCM is least or lowest common multiple. What is the definition? In a given set of two or more numbers, number which is lowest multiple of all the numbers is called as LCM. Let's take an example and solve it. Find LCM of 2 and 6. Now I am having two numbers here. One is 2 and another is 6. So the multiples of 2. What are multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like this. Whatever comes to the table of 2, it will be multiple of 2. Like here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, like this. I have written it till 24. Then we have to find multiples of 6. Whatever comes in table of 6 will be multiple of 6. Like 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. So if you see the multiples of 2 and 6, what are the common multiples? First common multiple is 6. 6 is here also and here also. So I will write as 6. Okay. Next, after that 12. 12 is the common multiple. 12 is found in the both the numbers. But 12 is common multiple of both the numbers. Then 18. 18 is also common multiple of 2 and 6. Okay, then there is 24. Like this, there are many common multiples of 2 and 6. Okay, 6, 18, 12, 24, 30, 36. All this will be common multiple of 2 and 6. Out of this, we have to select the lowest. Which is the lowest in this? 6 is the lowest. So LCM of 2 and 6 will be equal to 6. 6 is the lowest common multiple. It is found here also and it is found here also. Next, HCF. HCF means highest common factor, or it is also known as HCD, highest common denominator. Here what happens? In a given set of two or more numbers, the highest number which is factor of all the numbers or divides all the numbers is called as HCF. Okay. If there is a given set of number like say A and B, okay, we have to find numbers which divide both A and B. Okay, there might be many numbers which can divide A and B. Out of those, we have to find the highest number which has to be which divides both A and B. That will be known as highest common factor. Let's say an example. Find HCF of 5, 10, 15. Okay, we have three numbers. We have to find the HCF of these three numbers. So if we see how we can divide 5, 5 can be divided by 1 and 2. Okay, 5 can be divided by 1 and 5. In the same way, 10 can be divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, then 5 and then 10. Okay, then we have another number 15. Okay, we can divide 15 by many numbers. 15 can be divided by 1, then it can be divided by 3, it can be divided by 5 and it can be divided by 15. Okay, so 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now, which are the common in this? 5, 10 and 15. If we say 1, we can find it in all the three numbers. Then we can find 5 in all the three numbers. So the common numbers are 1 and 5. 2 are the common factors of 5, 10 and 15. Out of this, which is the highest? 5 is the highest. So HCF of 5, 10 and 15 will be equal to 5. Okay, let's see, we can solve it like this also. 5 we can factorize into 1 into 5. 10 we can factorize into 1 into 2 into 5. And 15 we can factorize into 1 into 3 into 5. Now if you see here, 1 is common in all the three numbers. This one is common in all the three numbers. Then we have 5. 5 also is common in all the three numbers. But this 2 is not common in any other number, and 3 is not common. So 1 and 5 are our remaining numbers. Out of 1 and 5, which is the highest common number? It is 5. So we call HCF as 5. Okay. Now, hope you have understood what is LCM and HCF. Okay. Let's see how to find LCM and HCF simultaneously of two numbers. here the question is find LCM and HCF of 8 and 20. We have two numbers 8 and 20. We have to find LCM and HCF. Okay. So first what we do, we follow this method of factorization. Factorize 8 and 20. Okay. So 2 will divide both the numbers. 2 4s are 8. This 2 into 4 will be 8 and 2 into 10 will be 20. So 2 is common factor of both the numbers. Okay, we have to start with the lowest number. Again we see 2. Here also 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2 will be 4 and 2 times 5. 2 times 5 will be 10. Okay, then we move on till we get 1 here. Now next what we do? 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2. Here 5 cannot be divided by 2. So we write 5 as it is. Then here I write 5. 1 as it is. 5 1s are 5. So now these are the factors we have received for 8 and 20. Multiply them. 2 into 2 4 into 2 8. 8 into 5 equals to 40. Okay, understood now? This is the shortcut method of finding LCM. Okay, there are other methods also. I will tell them about them later on. Okay, so 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 5 is 40. So we can say that LCM is equals to 40. Okay, now we have to find the HCF. For finding the HCF, what we do? How can we write 8? 8 equals to 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 1 will be common factor in both the numbers. Then we can write 2 into 2 4 into 5. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20. Okay, now what is common between both these numbers? It is this 2 and this 2. This set is common. Again 1 2 is there which is not there in the 20. 1 2 is there in the 8 which is not there in the 20. And in 20 there is a 5 which is not in 8. So what we have to do? 2 into 2 will be equal to 4. 4 is equals to the HCF. Okay, this is the simplest form of finding the HCF. 2 into 2, 4. Let's move to another example. Here we have to find LCM and HCF of three numbers: 12, 180 and 360. There are some other methods also. I will discuss them here. Okay, first we do the factorization of 12, 180 and 360. First number, lowest number we can divide is 2. 2 into 6, 12. 2 into 90, 180. 2 into 180, 360. Then what is remaining? 6, 90 and 180. All the three numbers can be divided by 2. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 45, 90 and 2 into 90, 180. Okay, now 3, 45 and 30. Here these numbers cannot be divided by 2. So we move on to next number which is 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 15, 45. 3 into 30, 90. Again now this cannot be divided by 2. So we will move on to with next number 3. 3, 1 it has come here. So 1 we will keep as it is. Then 3 5s are 15 and 3 10s are 30. Okay, now 5 and 10. 2 we cannot divide both the numbers. 3 is also not a factor of both the numbers. Next number is 5. Okay, 4 is also not a factor. So we straight away move on to 5. This one we carry it down as it is. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Only 2 is remaining. So we divide the 2 also here. So now we multiply this. 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 36. 36 into 5 is 180. 180 into 2 is 60. So LCM will be 360. LCM of all the three numbers is 360. Okay. Now we move on to our HCF. 12 can be divided by which numbers? 12 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. All these numbers are factors of 12. We can divide 12 by this. Then 180 can be divided by, again, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 12, then 15, 18, 20, then after that 30, 90 and 180. Those are not required, so I have not written. Highest is required, so I have written it till 12 only here. Then 360 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 15, 18, 20, like this. Okay. So out of this, these till there we are common. Okay, these are all common numbers. 1 is common in all these numbers. Again, 2 is common in all the three numbers. 3 is common. 4 is common. 6 is common. Out of this, highest number is 12. So 12 will be the HCF of this number. Another way of finding this is, if you can't write all the divided numbers which are factors of each number, what we can do, we can factorize. 12 we have factorized here. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. So 12 is how much? 1 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then we factorize 180. 180 is still where? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 3, 36. Okay, then 36 into 5 is 180. 36 into 5 is 180. Okay, we have come till here. So we can write this as 1, 2 into 2, 36 into 5. Then we factorize 360. 360 is all these numbers. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 3, 36, 36 into 5, 180, 180 into 2, 360 till here. Okay, now we write them in this order. See, till where it is common? 1 is common in all. This 2 is common in all the 3 till here. And this 2 is again common till here. And this 3 is common. After that, this 3 and 5 are common in 180 and 60, but not common in 12. And here also it is not common. So simply what we do, till here we multiply. We have to multiply till here. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. So 12 is HCF. These are two methods of finding HCF. Okay. For LCM, there is a shortcut. See, if there are numbers like 5, 6, 10, 12 and 20, we have to find LCM of all these 5 numbers. So what we do, just find out if 5 is factor of any of this number here. So 5 is factor of 10. So we cut this 5. Then there is next number 6. 6 is factor of 12. Okay. 12 can be divided by 6, or 6 into 2 is 12. So we remove this 6 also. Then next number is 10. Is 10 factor of any number? Yes. 10 is factor of 20. So we remove 20 also. Now what is remaining? 12 and 20. 12 is not a factor of 20. So what we do? Just find LCM of 12 and 20. 12, 20. Both the numbers can be divided by 2. 2 6 are 12 and 2 10s are 20. Okay, next step. Again they can be divided by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. 3 and 5 are prime numbers which cannot be divided by any number. So our LCM will be 2 into 2 4 into 3 12 into 5 60. Okay, lowest common multiple of all these numbers is how much? 60. So basically what we do in the shortcut, if the lower number is factor of any of the bigger number here, then we remove it. So only 12 and 20 LCM we take out. That will be LCM of all these 5 numbers. Then there is a formula for two numbers A and B. Mind this formula is only applicable if there are two numbers to find HCF and LCM. What does this formula say? If there are two numbers A and B, HCF of A and B multiplied by LCM of A and B will be equal to A and B. Okay, we have done some previous examples. Let's see from there only. We had found LCM and HCF of 8 and 20. Okay, LCM of 8 was how much? 40 and HCF was 4. Let's check. HCF was 4 and LCM was 40. Okay, 4 into 40 should be equal to A into B. A was how much? 8 and B was 20. Now let's multiply. 4 into 40 is 160 equals to 8 into 20, 160, right? See, if there are two numbers, then we can easily find this by formula. some more questions in 10th standard and in competitive exams you receive this type of problems where one number will be missing. They will give A and B and they will give LCM of A and B and they will ask you to find HCF. So no need to find the HCF by factorization. Just HCF into LCM is equals to A into B. You use this formula and you can easily find the LCMs. Okay. See here also we can check. We are finding LCM of 12 and 20. Okay, we have to find the HCF also. Now we'll find HCF of 12 and 20 without factorization. Okay. Our numbers are A is 12 and B is 20. Okay. HCF into LCM was how much? LCM was 60. So I will write it as here 60. HCF into 60 will be equal to 12 into 20. So next step will be HCF equals to 12 into 20 divided by 60. We move this side. So it is multiply here. When it comes this side, it will become divide. Now we will solve this. Simplify 0, 0 cut. 6 ones are 6 twos are. So 2 into 2 is how much? 4. So HCF of 12 and 20 is 8. We can check it. Both the numbers can be divided by 1. Then both the numbers can be divided by 2. Both the numbers can be divided by 4 also. After that 6 divides 12 but it doesn't divide 20. Okay. 8 divides, no. Both the numbers it cannot divide. So HCF will be 4. See how easily we were able to find the answers. Hope that you have understood what is LCM and HCF and you have also understood the shortcut trick and the formula when there are two numbers. If you have not subscribed to my channel till now, please subscribe and press the notification button, bell button, which will notify you whenever I post new videos. If you like my video, then please share with your friends. Thank you.